Contrast Corner. Today I'm painting Konflikt 47. This is a Firefly from the American Army, and I've given him a dry brush base to start with. If you're not sure how to do this, I've got a tutorial on YouTube. Give it a little tickle. I'm starting with Aggaros Dunes, which I always think makes a nice khaki colour, so it works perfectly for these reborn US paratroopers. It would also work very well for any other futuristic space-based army. It's coming out really nicely. This episode is sponsored by Warlord Games, and to say thank you, I'm painting their logo in a random speed paint. This week is Flesh Tearers Red. Don't forget you can pick up Konflikt 47 from Warlord Games, along with all of your other hobby needs. The next colour we're tickling is Militarum Green, and this actually works really nicely for that classic army colour and works well for the backpack. If you were painting models for a game that was inspired by a very popular Xbox character, then this green would be perfect. If you follow Contrast Corner, you'll know that Gore-Grunta Fur is a strong favourite of mine, and it always works nicely for those leather details, and in this case, because it's a slightly yellowish brown, it ties in with the Aggaros Dunes really well. I'm then using Basilicanum Grey on all the details for the gun, and I'm going to actually use it on the rock as well. I'm using Iyanden Yellow for the gloves, and it covers nicely. I'm trying something new with the flesh. I'm going with a base of Gulliman flesh, but I'm then going to add a tiny bit of Doomfire Magenta. I just find that this makes the paint cover slightly better. And of course I had to get a skeleton horde in there somewhere, so we're using it for the blonde hair. I'm going in with a little bit of Flesh Tearers Red on the shoulder pad, and yes, I definitely should have used a smaller brush, but I thought I'd play this on hard mode. And a base of Talassar Blue for the energy, which I'm then going to dry brush with a bit of white to then go back over with a mix of Talassar Blue and Pylar Glacier. I actually find Pylar Glacier just a little bit too subtle and Talassar Blue a little bit too strong, so a 50-50 mix of both of them works perfectly to create that glow effect. And of course it's that time again where we use Aggaros Silver on the base. I find this always just gives a nice base to then build on, and finish off with black on the rim. I've then got 3 types of moss pads from Siege Scenics that will give a really nice amount of variance on the base. You never get a single colour in nature, so mixing these 3 colours just makes it look a little bit more realistic, and actually by going for the moss tufts rather than the traditional tufts, the scale works so much better. Let me know what you think in the comments. And there we have it. This is what an American Firefly from Konflikt 47 looks like, painted completely in contrast paints. Drop a comment if there's anything you'd like to see next, and as always, follow for more, and I'll see you next time on Contrast Corner.